Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as I told you guys, I have a very small surprise for you guys, and okay, it's something I told about this sometime back, but let me start with start with this. So I bought some new storage cases. Those looks really awesome. So let's start with this one. So this one, okay, I bought this from a shop called DIY. So right now, this shop is available in Coimbatore, and there are other locations like Bangalore and Mumbai, even Pune, if I'm not wrong. So they have physical store. So and honestly, I don't know. I think I bought this for maybe 400 rupees or something. Let me tell you why I personally like this. You can see the display cases here, right? So these cases I did a video on this, if you guys remember. So that is from a shop called Daiso, which is in Chennai, actually, in EA Mall. So compared to that, the quality on this one is really nice. I actually bought two different variations of the display case. One is this one. So let me show you the other one in a minute. So this is actually fully sealed. It is fully plastic wrapped and sealed. So I want to open this now. So I'm going to replace this entire set with this one, because not only because the quality is good, because you can see the display, the base on this one here, it is white instead of the black, because black actually doesn't reflect the light really well. So it feels really dull here. The white one actually reflects the light really well. You can see here, even in this slide here, that will look really nice. Okay, let's open this and see how this one actually feels in hand. They did pack really well on these things, because when I bought those display cases from Daiso, I mean most of the, even the ones on the right side here, those things are actually, some are actually cracked on one side. I didn't see that because they put some kind of advertisement all around that display case. So after I bought it home and I opened it, that really pissed me off because it had some cracks. Okay, so this one, it looks, this is very clear compared to that one. Honestly, that feels cheap compared to this for a similar price. Okay, it has some sellotaping here. Let me open this. Okay, even the base feels really good. Actually, this is a bit tall. I think we can keep, yeah, this is taller than that one, because I think so, yeah. The only difference between, apart from the quality is good on this one. So that one actually has two bases, like like a staircase. So I'm putting two sets of cars there. I don't know how I'm going to keep in this one. I need to figure that out maybe later on. Maybe once I unbox some more Majorettes or something, because those things looks really flashy and it would look really cool inside this case. Let me tape it back. Okay, so this is one of the case, and let me show you the second one. So which is this. So this one is actually a wall hanging case. This is not specifically a case, it's actually a normal storage box. You can see here the way they displayed it. So this is the shop's name. This one, I think it is 630 rupees. I don't know if I bought exactly for this price, or with any discount. I bought a lot from that shop on that day, because, so let me tell you guys, I originally saw this shop in Malaysia when I went for a trip there like a year back. So I bought some things from there. So they have licensed Marvel merchandise. Like I bought a backpack there, Spider-Man backpack, that was really of good quality for that price. And another thing is like, if you are a car guy, I mean, I'm talking about actual cars, not diecast cars. So you will literally get everything which is car related there. And I bought some things for my car actually from there. Okay, so let's talk about this case. And it has home accessories as well. Okay, so this part here, you need to wall mount this, and with the adhesive sticker. Oh my god, this is actually a bit big. The quality on this one looks really nice. It is very hard. And you can remove this if you want. That's up to you. I'm just keeping it as of now because I don't want to create any ruckus here. Okay, so you can see the adhesive tapes here. You can just put it on the back and you can hang it. I'm just planning to keep it here, so replacing this particular left side and right side sets. I bought two of this and four of that box, that display case. So this is the handle. You need to mount it here on the side. And one good thing about this particular thing on top of other good things, which is you can remove this here, and this plastic is also of a good quality. You can remove everything. I actually opened it once and it kept one or two cars inside and saw how this one actually looked. That looked really nice, given that it's so. Let me tell you, if you are going to keep it this way, this is going to look really nice because it has a white background and your car is going to showcase in front, and that is going to look really beautiful. Especially, see, when light is shining like this, it is going to look really nice because the white reflects the light very well and your car is going to stand out. So that's what I am actually planning. So yeah, so again, I don't know the exact price I bought it. The MRP is 630 on this. I think that one is somewhere between 400 to 500, but not more than that. That I am sure. So if you guys get a chance to go to this shop, just check for this display cases. Honestly, the quality on this one is way better than that one. Okay. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.